Hey guys, I'm David Crowley. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to watch earlier videos I've made in the last year or two. Alright, today we will be doing a 90-degree back with our axles all the way to the rear. If you like my video, please like and subscribe, share. All the comments are always welcome. Enjoy. Today we are going to do a 90-degree back with our axles all the way to the rear. The reason we are doing this 90-degree back instead of a different back, well, is because lava. So there's lava in our way, so we are going to make sure we don't hit that. So that's why I didn't use this area over here, because I want to avoid the lava. Okay, so let's go ahead and start backing up. Now what do we got to take into consideration here is the space over here on the left. We got to make sure we have enough space for our cab to miss this, because I'm going to start jackknifing right away. And please note that our axles are, so let's call this space 1, space 2, and space 3. We're going to put our axles pretty much right in front of space 3. Alright, this will allow the curve to happen while we start jackknifing. Alright, let's see what happens. Okay, so we start in the jackknife. Now again, so there's a few different views to look at here. Now right now I'm not paying attention to any mirror because my head is out the window. Alright, and of course I'll be looking in the right hand mirror. Oh, there's no lava in the mirror. We're going to pretend there's lava in the mirror and we are going to keep our jackknife going. Now in a second here, because I don't have a camera pointing out completely, we will lose the space and the axles. Well, we'll always see the axles, but we lose the space. But so generally our head's sticking out the window, we're looking over here. Now we have to always pay attention to this part of the trailer when you're doing a hard jackknife. Alright? Because we do not want the trailer to hit the side of the cab. Alright? This is what May Trucking has done for us. They have put some sticker here saying get out and look. If we ever lose this sticker, that means we have jackknifed too much. And there's a possibility of our cab hitting the trailer. So, while I'm jackknifing, alright, I gotta make sure that I start chasing it before I lose the sticker. Let's go ahead and show you. So there we go. I'm trying to maintain this particular angle. It's like a 90-degree angle right now. So it is kind of a balancing act going on. And right around here, I'm going to start cranking it hard left now, which will start straightening me up. I'm going to hold this. I'm going to hold this for as long as I can until I need to pull forward. Okay, so now note where I stopped. Now, I did not stop when my trailer was parallel, because that would have been counterproductive. Because if I stopped, if I was right around here, but as soon as I pulled forward, I wouldn't be parallel. So I went past the parallelness. Now here's what I kind of look at, right? I kind of like to make a little bit of a triangle. I see angles all over the place. So I see the front of my cab, I see the back of my trailer, all right? So I'm basically putting myself into that line. You understand me? So I'm getting my trailer, as you can see, my trailer is pointing towards the middle of this trailer. So when I pull forward, it gets my trailer parallel by the time I'm stopped. Now, I'm not parallel, but I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. All right, now we just do some simple straight back maneuvering. All right, small little maneuvers. And back we go. Alright guys, please like, subscribe, comment, and all that other good stuff. Take care now. Bye bye. I have a website right now, dctruckschool.com. Please check it out. Thanks. Bye bye.